Well, I don't know if I filmed anything yesterday, but if I did, wow. Eh, interesting. Oh, I guess that's just snow. But, yeah, she came out here yesterday. It was 4 below zero. And there was no way in hell that engine was ever going to start without a block heater. I also got my phone memory cleaned off. I was able to use someone else's computer and got it pulled off and everything. So I've got about 10 minutes of video right now instead of like 3. But yeah, it was like trying to stir a vat of molasses. And it's now about 7 degrees out here. And this is all Fahrenheit. I can actually turn the engine over. Before, it was like going like that, was about as fast as I could turn it. Now, I can actually pull it. Got the battery charged, so we'll see what the starter button has to say about it. Of course, this is with the Land Rover Special tool holding the clutch depressed. So, hopefully, maybe she'll start. Maybe not. Might be able to get it on the hand crank though. Yeah, giving her all she's got choke-wise. I'm gonna try and start it up and see if I can't give her a test drive. Even 7 degrees, it's not. Whoa, icy. It's very icy. Well, she ain't gonna go on the button. Oh, I'm gonna go in and get my warmer gloves. Brr. Well, today is a new day again, and I do want to say that it's a lot warmer out here now. And oh, I don't see why she shouldn't start today. Got her charged up nice. Give her a choke. There we go. Alright, well, let's see if she'll move under her own power. Low range. I've got her on chocks, so she won't roll. First gear. Yes. Rolling back. She moves. It works. Oh yeah, gear oil's thick. Sounds more like a diesel with it open like that. I'll open it up and see if I can hear that. It's a weird noise. Hope that's not a rod knock. Do have oil pressure, I know that. Oh, you know what that probably is? Let's see. Let's see. Does that make a difference? No. Now you can see the ice on the carburetor. I love these little white crystals. Not that you're in focus. I don't know. That's weird. There was a tapping that was coming and going, and I thought it was rockers, so. Well, she's running now, so. All right, got a seat in and floors in. They're not screwed in, obviously, but they're in enough that I'm not Fred Flintstoning it. So what that means is test drive. It's weird not having that extra spring in there. That's a good weird, though. Neutral, and you got choke. Fires right up. Building oil pressure. It's a bit slow to get to the gauge. And let me clip you in, and whew, that seat's cold. I'll clip you in and let's see what we can do. Reverse working. All right, well, let's see. This gearbox sounds nice and quiet. You can hear the tappets going. I think my throttle thing fell off again. Shifts good. I got parts falling over in the back. Want to see about getting that cable on there right. I felt like that snapped on there a little better this time. Lovely day. be fairly smooth and quiet, actually. Never did check the oil level in it, but I mean, it's not whining too bad, so there must be some in there. Oh yeah, it's definitely quieter than my old box was. I'm going to pull up about halfway up on the hill and then see about, see how the handbrake holds. You can hear the tap it's going. Let's see how the handbrake holds up here. Alright, well, it holds. Not sliding. Smells a little toasty, so I don't know if the handbrake's releasing all the way. Almost feels like it's got a lower gearing. It's weird. Lovely day. Now I'm going to see if four-wheel drive works. Alright, that was definitely tire spin. Noisy pilot bearing. Doesn't like this pilot bushing. Yeah, it feels like four-wheel drive does work. Let's try low. Second. Helps if you put the clutch in. And it just pulls right up. Alright, I think that's a success. Sweet.